Steps to apply new grout over old grout.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the steps to apply new grout over old grout. If you're looking to freshen up the look of your tiled surfaces without completely removing the old grout, this method can be a great solution. So, let's get started.
Assessing the condition of the old grout.
The first step is to assess the condition of the old grout. Before applying new grout, you need to make sure that the existing grout is in good condition. Look for any signs of cracking, crumbling, or extensive discoloration. If the old grout is severely damaged, it's recommended to remove it entirely and start with a clean surface. However, if the old grout is in decent shape, you can proceed with the following steps.
Cleaning the old grout.
To ensure proper adhesion, it's essential to thoroughly clean the old grout before applying new grout. Start by scrubbing the grout lines with a stiff brush and a grout cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar. This will help remove any dirt, grime, or mildew that may have accumulated over time. Once you've scrubbed the grout lines, rinse the area with clean water and allow it to dry completely. This step is crucial for achieving a successful grout application.
Preparing the new grout.
Now that the old grout is clean and dry, it's time to prepare the new grout. Choose a grout color that matches or complements your existing grout. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on the grout package to mix the grout powder with water. Make sure to achieve a smooth, consistent texture without any lumps. Let the grout mixture sit for a few minutes to activate.
Applying the new grout.
With the new grout prepared, it's time to apply it over the old grout. Using a grout float or a rubber grout applicator, spread the new grout diagonally across the grout lines. Press the grout firmly into the gaps to ensure proper coverage. Work in small sections to prevent the grout from drying too quickly. Once you've applied the new grout, scrape off the excess grout using the edge of the float at a 45-degree angle.
Cleaning up excess grout.
After applying the new grout, clean up the excess grout from the tile surface. Wait for the grout to set for about 15 to 30 minutes, or as specified by the manufacturer. Then, using a damp sponge, wipe off the excess grout from the tiles by gently scrubbing in a circular motion. Rinse the sponge frequently to avoid spreading grout haze. Continue this process until the tiles are clean and the grout lines are smooth.
Final steps.
Once you've cleaned up the excess grout, allow the grout to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. This typically takes around 24 to 48 hours. During this time, avoid exposing the newly grouted area to water or heavy foot traffic. After the grout has fully dried, you can apply a grout sealer to protect the grout from staining and moisture. And there you have it. The steps to apply new grout over old grout. By assessing the condition of the old grout, cleaning it thoroughly, preparing the new grout, applying it properly.